Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today, we are going to start with a new chapter. And the name of our chapter is Lesson 7 Plants Around Us. Children, if you will look out of your house, you will see that there are so many plants. There are small plants, there are big plants. Yes, children? So, today we are going to learn about plants around us. So, children, first we are going to study about trees. So, what are trees? They are big plants. They have thick trunk and many branches. And the leaves of the trees, they can be big or small. Children, this is the picture of the trunk. What is this called? Trunk. So the trees, they have thick trunk. And if you will see the trees carefully, you will see that they have a lot of branches. So, what are trees? Trees are big plants. Children, have you seen a banana tree? Its leaves are big. And a tamarind tree has small leaves. So, on the trees, the leaves can be either big or small. Like in banana tree, it is big leaves, and in tamarind tree, it has small. Children, our next type of plant is shrubs. What it is called? Shrubs. Repeat after me. Shrubs. Children, shrubs are small plants. Yes, they are small plants and they have thin and woody stem. So trees were tall plants, they were big plants, but shrubs are small plants and the shrub has thin and woody stem. And the tree had very huge stem. Yes, a very broad trunk, but the shrubs, they have thin and woody stem. And example of shrubs are rose plant. So children, some more examples of shrubs are hibiscus. So children, this is a hibiscus plant. Hibiscus is also a small plant and it has thin stem. What type of stem? Thin and woody stem. The next is cotton. Cotton also, can you see the stem? It is thin and woody stem. And tulsi plant also, it is a small plant and it has also what kind of stem? Thin stem. So children, the examples of shrubs are hibiscus, cotton plant, tulsi plant. Next type of plant is herbs. How we will pronounce it? Herbs. Repeat after me. Herbs. Children, herbs are very small plants and if you will see the stem of herbs, they are soft and green in color. Okay children, can you see the picture? This is the picture of a coriander. Coriander means dhania, which your parents also use at home. So, what we call it as coriander. What we call it as coriander. And can you see the stem? It is soft. If you will touch the coriander, the stem is soft and when you will see which color it is, green. So today only you go in your kitchen and check how does the coriander looks? It looks green in color, the stem, and the stem is soft. So children, some more example of herbs are mint. These are mint leaves. If you will touch the mint stem, the stem of the mint leaves, they are soft and green in color. Same with your spinach. What is spinach? Palak. Okay children, so if you will see the stem of spinach, that is also green in color, and if you will touch it, it is soft. And same with your grass, it has soft stem which is green in color. So the example of herbs are mint, spinach and grass. Children, next type of plants are climbers. Climbers means they climb. Why? Because they have weak stem, and because they have weak stem, so to climb, what they need? They need support of a wall or stick. Clear children? Thus these plants are called climbers because they cannot grow straight. Climbers cannot grow straight. They always need a support. Can you see this picture? The plant is having a support of a stick. Yes children, what is it? Climber. Why? Because the stem is so weak and the plant cannot stand straight, so it needs the help. So climbers take the help of wall or stick so that they can grow. Climbers, what they need? They need help to grow because they have weak stem. They don't have strong stem. Okay children? Example of climbers are pea plant. Now can you see? Pea plant also has weak stem. So those who are weak, yes, they have stems, weak stem. So the plants which are having weak stem, they need support. So pea plant is taking the support of the wall. And same way, money plant is also taking the support of a stick. So children, climbers means their stems are weak, they are not strong, so they need support. Next is creepers. Creepers are those plants that cannot grow straight and they grow along the ground. Why? Because the fruits are big and heavy. Now see in this picture, can you see the first picture? It is a picture of a watermelon. Now watermelon is very big and heavy. Now when the fruit is big and heavy, can the plant grow straight? No, the plant will fall down. So that's why creepers, they don't grow straight, they grow on the ground. Why? Because the fruit is big. Same way pumpkin, the pumpkin is very big. So can the pumpkin grow on tree? No. So they grow on ground, and because they grow on ground, they are called as creepers. What are they called as? Creepers. They grow on the ground. They don't grow straight. Why? Because the fruits are big and heavy. So children, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Take care and bye-bye.